Workers unearthed an ancient bell at the construction site. When the secret inside was revealed, they were too terrified to stand. It was supposed to be just another regular day at the construction site. Workers were hired to clear out the remains of an abandoned estate, preparing the land for redevelopment. But while they were digging, their shovel suddenly hit something hard, buried deep beneath layers of dirt and rock. At first, they thought it was just some ordinary scrap metal buried underground. But as they continued to clear away the debris, the shape of the object started to become clearer. It was a massive ancient bell, its entire body tightly encased in dirt. Curious, the workers called over the foreman to inspect it. The foreman ordered them to start chipping away at the hardened mud shell surrounding the bell. As the mud continued to fall away, strange and unfamiliar markings began to appear on the surface of the bell, symbols that looked like some form of ancient language. Finally, after hours of hard work, the ancient bell was fully exposed. But when they opened it, what they saw inside made their hearts race. Comment bell.